Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Kem છો Abhishek?
Ekdam first class. How are you?
I'm good.
Great. So my name is Abhishek, as you know, and I run a digital marketing agency. And today, we have a very interesting topic, which is heal your life. Retreat, which is your benchmark project. And just wanted to know a little bit more about the project. So could you brief us, what is Heal Your Life Retreat?
As you said, the project, I would say it's a passion for me. And Heal Your Life Retreat is based on 2-day workshop, which is internationally designed by Louise herself. If I say a little more, Louise was born in the US in 1926. And in 1980, she caught up with cancer. She lived up till 2017. 37 years of life post cancer, happy and healthy. Not going much into the detail of her life, but how she could lead her life happy and healthy, she has worked a lot on her own self.
Right.
So she said it's safe to look within. And based on that, how she could identify her emotions which could have caused trouble, how to overcome those emotions, and how to put those unwanted, undesired emotion out of her system, the body and mind both. She developed wonderful tools and techniques and methodology.
Right.
So, in this retreat, we offer those tools for participants to design a happy, healthy life. Doesn't mean that the participant need to have cancer.
Right.
Because I see this project as a senior doctor that if we learn the mind body connection, we can avoid many, many illnesses.
Right.
I want to ask you, Abhishek, by that, do you know people with, say, diabetes, hypertension, migraine, backache? How many more diseases you can add to the list
Right.
that you know as a name of the disease?
Right. There are quite a few like thyroid,
Thyroid,
be hypertension.
hypertension.
Yes.
Simplest is the acidity.
Yes.
And
Higher
we
cholesterol.
higher cholesterol, what not.
What?
Our human body is so brilliantly designed that every organ works in synchronization.
Correct.
And with some of the emotional disturbances or upheaval, that may be simple suppression of emotion like fear, anger, jealousy, hurt, they find out the parking space in the body. The retreat help you find out your parking space and we offer you the tool to get rid of it. So that's how one can design the new blueprint of happiness.
Right. Also, another question comes up to mind is who should ideally attend it?
Anyone who is 15 plus by age
Okay.
and anyone who wants to have clarity in life,
Okay.
anyone who wants to lead happy healthy life, anyone who wishes to help others to lead happy healthy life. They may be psychologist, therapist or a simple normal human being. Anyone who is having diseases,
Correct.
those who wish to have a rest of the disease that it doesn't go beyond, and those who wish to have a reversal of disease like diabetes, hypertension or migraine, those who wish to get rid of their chronic problems like backache, headache, migraine, acidity, etc. Also those who are teachers, leaders, corporate sector employee, managerial post, administrators, because it also give a lot of insight into harmony in relationships.
Right.
So it also help you have better work life balance
Right.
and create more efficient world around wherein we can spread more love and joy. So practically speaking, any aware citizen who wish to lead happy healthy life
Should attend.
should.
Also, ma'am, these days we see there are quite a few institutions who offer their own holistic care programs.
Correct.
So, why someone should opt for Heal Your Life holistic care program?
So this is like we do have a buffet,
Right.
and how do we choose our favorite food?
Right.
We can have two criteria that I like it
Right.
or I know that the nutrients are better in this.
Correct.
This retreat falls into the second category,
Correct.
wherein you know that the advantages are not short term but also long term.
Right.
And then we offer, if I talk of some of the USP to this, I am a medical doctor, a gynecologist with 30 years of practice. With the strong medical background, bringing in Heal Your Life philosophy together, I am the one who can give you the most benefit in connection to the mind and body connection, keeping the medical part in my mind. Point number one.
Right.
The second USP is that we offer it at a venue which is so serene that it becomes easy for participants to connect to themselves.
Correct.
rather than doing it at a banquet or a 3-star or 5-star hotel. I conduct these programs at a place with the vastness
Right.
under the sky, with the grass to walk on. And my retreat is also having one extra day on top of the 2-day HYL module.
Okay.
And that one extra day with 2 morning schedules, which is about 90 minutes, both the mornings. And those sessions are based on mindfulness practices, wherein we bring in a lot of things like mindful living, mindful walking, mindful breathing, etc. I also offer in the same retreat a session onto drafting affirmations and visualization.
Okay.
Do you remember people saying that "મારી જિંદગીમાં તો આવું જ થાય છે. Always I get trapped. I don't find good people around. I'm tired." All these simple statements, trillions of your body cells are listening and they take it as a command and they start behaving that way.
Correct.
So we help them understand that illnesses are actually being manufactured most of the time. As World Health Organization says, 80 to 85% diseases are based on the mind thinking pattern and so on.
Right.
So the USP is that on top of HYL 2-day module, we cover up quite a lot of things, and together the bundle that comes to the person is becoming the game changer for the life, may it be at work, home, or into relationships.
Fantastic. Looks very interesting. When you talk about the Heal Your Life retreat, I believe it's a 2 or 3 day program.
It is a 2-night, 3-day residential program.
Residential program.
Yes. It
So what
starts
can
on
I-
day 1 at 8 o'clock in the morning. We welcome them, and then it ends on the day 3 at 5 p.m.
Excellent. So what do we expect in the whole program? I mean, how do you...
The program is quite elaborate. As I said, the 2-day is been based on the internationally designed module, which gives you tools wherein we take person through various activities and processes.
Okay.
If I say it in one line, it's relax, rejuvenate, and rediscover a new you.
Right.
It's a version that you find it's a new you. Elaborating a little bit, one can expect in this program to identify what is happening inside of you. Because many of the participants feel that, hey, I never knew that this is bothering me.
Correct.
So we help them identify those emotions.
Correct.
After identifying how to get rid of it and how to transform undesired things. Because in daily life, what we are taught by the society or what we learn is ignore,
Correct.
bypass, sidetrack, and we create a pile up.
Correct.
So this helps you in 3 days offload the emotional garbage that somebody may be carrying for years,
Right.
and then creating a space within which brings new love, new peace, and new joy. And we give them tools, and I handhold them for 6 weeks so that on daily life they learn how not to pile up. So then it becomes a periodic clearance. That's how I can say that these are the USP.
Excellent.
Some of the best techniques or tools I can say is Louis has promoted is a mirror therapy, inner child work, forgiveness, gratitude walk, some names of some of the activities in 3 days. But let me tell you, with the hundreds of participants and many years of my experience as facilitator to such workshop, as life coach, every participant tells that, hey, Abhishek bhai, don't ask, just go and explore. It's worth
Right.
experiencing. So, however, we can discuss for the longer time and I can tell you and elaborate, but it's something which is very, very experiential rather than narrating how it works.
Right. So it's simply we should experience rather than just understanding what it is.
Correct. So, it's beyond discussion,
Right.
beyond explanation.
Right.
Why? Because even if there is, say, 20 people in the batch, each one have takeaway different.
Correct.
Because each one's life is different,
Mhm.
each one's challenge is different.
Correct.
And same activity can be having different impact on each of the participant. So there is no comparison. There is no similarity because each of us is very unique. As with our own mind, thinking pattern, our experiences of life, our challenges of life. So there is no copy paste, I guess. So
Right.
takeaway is also very different for everybody.
Right. So that's my last question. That what kind of takeaways I can expect from this retreat?
All right. So the general takeaway could be finding your new version that has enhanced index of self-love and self-acceptance.
Right.
In your hand, when you go, you have a new blueprint of happiness for life ahead
Okay.
and better harmony in all relationships. These are common general things.
Okay.
In particular, the person who has come with some specific goal or a reason to the retreat, most of them they find more than what they expect.
Excellent.
And mind well, these retreats are not meant for people who are having mental illness or psychological illnesses only. Because in society, there is a stigma. Why should I go? I don't have any problem. So the retreats are not meant for problems. If you have a Mercedes car and if it doesn't have a problem, still you send it for the service. This human body doesn't have a tag that this body is worth 150 crores. If it could have been there, these retreats are nothing but the maintenance. But as there is nothing, our eyes do not show like a mobile phone that there is no memory or memory full. So that we keep capturing. The mind also doesn't come with the GB and MB spaces. So we keep loading so many things which we need not to take and carry forward. So these retreats are nothing but, I would say, a visit to your inner self, wherein you can negotiate happiness at the cost of offloading emotional garbage.
Excellent. Looking
So to
forward
know
to-
more about it, connect to this link.
Yeah.
And there is a page about it on my site, doconmission.net and healthcafeahmedabad.com. We look forward to welcome people who are willing. One thing, Abhishek Bhai, I wanted to say that many of us in the society in general may not be very ready and willing
Right.
with the fear of being judged in the group energy. So people are demanding one-on-one sessions.
Right.
Nothing against it, I offer it.
Right.
But the learning, the passive learning with the group of people is huge compared to one-on-one session. And if we can just drop off the stigma, open the heart, be willing to share, listen, and experience, it's a life-changing experience. Not because I've been doing it, but that's what every participant talks about it. So thank you for joining us
Very
and
much.
bringing these FAQs, which usually people keep asking when
Mm.
they see our announcement.
Certainly. Looking forward to attend one.
Oh, most welcome. Very soon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.